Hello, food lovers! Today, we're off to the Alps, a beautiful mountain range in Europe. Imagine snow-capped peaks, green valleys, and charming villages. Now, imagine delicious food. Alpine cuisine is all about simple, hearty dishes made with fresh, local ingredients. Think creamy cheeses, potatoes from the earth, and rich flavors that warm you up from the inside out. One dish stands out as a true Alpine star Frico. Get ready to discover a cheesy, potatoey delight. Frico is a crispy, savory delight. It's basically a cheese and potato cake, but oh so much more. Imagine a golden crust giving way to a soft, cheesy center. Can you almost taste it? In the Alps, Frico is more than just food. It represents warmth, tradition, and sharing a meal with loved ones. Families have passed down Frico recipes for generations. Frico is a reminder of the resourcefulness of Alpine people, who created something delicious and satisfying from simple ingredients. Frico's story is as rich and flavorful as the dish itself. This traditional Italian dish has a history that is deeply intertwined with the culture and lifestyle of the Alpine farmers. It dates back centuries, originating in the Friuli region of Italy, nestled in the Alps. The region's rugged terrain and harsh winters made it essential for the locals to create hearty and sustaining meals. Back then, Frico was a way for farmers to use up leftover cheese. They would gather in their rustic kitchens, combining the cheese with simple ingredients they had on hand. They'd melt it down with potatoes, creating a filling and flavorful meal. This not only minimized waste but also provided a nutritious dish that could sustain them through their laborious days. Over time, Frico spread throughout the Alps, with each region adding its own twist. Some regions might add onions or herbs, while others might incorporate different types of cheese. Some like it thin and crispy, enjoying the delightful crunch that comes with every bite. Others prefer it thick and soft, savoring the rich, gooey texture that melts in the mouth. But one thing remains the same: Frico's ability to transport us back in time with every bite. It's more than just a dish, it's a culinary journey through history, a testament to the resourcefulness and creativity of the Alpine people. The beauty of Frico lies in its simplicity. You only need a few key ingredients, each playing a vital role. Potatoes. These provide the base, offering a hearty and satisfying texture. Cheese. This is the star of the show. It melts into a gooey, flavorful dream. Choose a strong, aged cheese for the best taste. Butter. This adds richness and helps to create those crispy golden edges. Salt and pepper. A pinch of each enhances the flavors. That's it. With these humble ingredients you can create magic in the kitchen. Comforting warmth of this traditional Italian dish. Buon appetito! Section 6. Why Frico warms the heart and stomach. Frico is more than just a delicious meal. It's an experience. It evokes a sense of warmth, comfort, and nostalgia. Imagine yourself in a cozy Alpine chalet, snow falling outside. You take a bite of Frico, its cheesy aroma filling the air. Pure bliss. Frico is best enjoyed with loved ones, shared around a table filled with laughter and good conversation. It's a dish that brings people together. Section 7. Fun facts, cheese and potatoes, a match made in heaven. Did you know that cheese and potatoes are a match made in culinary heaven? These two ingredients, when combined, create some of the most comforting and delicious dishes you can imagine. From creamy potato gratin to crispy cheesy potato skins, the possibilities are endless. Here are some fun facts. Cheese with its rich and varied flavors, and potatoes with their versatile texture, have been staples in kitchens around the world for centuries. There are over 2,000 varieties of cheese in the world. From the sharp tang of cheddar to the creamy smoothness of brie, each type of cheese brings its own unique character to a dish. Which one will you choose for your Frico? Frico, a traditional Italian dish, is made by frying cheese until it becomes crispy and golden. Adding potatoes to the mix makes it even more delightful. Potatoes are actually a good source of vitamin C. They're also naturally gluten-free, making them a great option for those with dietary restrictions. Plus, their mild flavor pairs perfectly with the richness of cheese. The largest potato ever grown weighed almost 5 kilograms. Imagine the amount of cheesy potato dishes you could make with that. That's a lot of Frico. This dish is perfect for sharing with family and friends, bringing everyone together over a love of good food. So next time you enjoy this cheesy potatoey goodness, impress your friends with your knowledge. Share these fun facts and make your meal even more enjoyable. Section 8. Ready for Frico? Your Alpine adventure awaits. Frico is a testament to the power of simple ingredients transformed into something extraordinary. It's a taste of history, tradition, and pure Alpine goodness. So why not embark on your own culinary adventure? Gather your loved ones, grab some cheese and potatoes, and whip up a batch of Frico. You might just discover your new favorite comfort food. Happy cooking!